if you want to see how she created this beautiful look called Green Blue Hello Eyeshadow, just get bold with her by watching till the end. Woo! I killed it. Hi, my name is gonna be on the description box, I guess. So she went off stage. She went off camera and did the other eye, to cut the long story short. So she's coming back to show us how she did that eye, which I call it smart. Boing! So this is a palette, I know definitely, and that is a blue color. And by the way, I call this voiceover a comeback for me, because I did one of her videos sometime, and I was sucking in naming things. So I did my research and I'm back. So that is okay. I'm not gonna call the colors by what it's written on the palette because I can't see, but it's a blue, we all can see. So that is a second palette. I think she's mixing colors from different palettes. So this second palette, I think it's also a palette from Hermosa Flow. Did I say that the first one was a Hermosa Flow palette? I've heard this name a lot of times on her videos. So this is also a new palette from Hermosa Flow, I believe. So you can see so that they're going to help each other, these two palettes. So the first one was a green, and the second one is yellow, and now it's blue, as the title suggests. So that's what happens, and yeah, she's applying. So if you want to see, if you want to see how she blends, and you know, where she's doing tutorials on how to really apply these things, she's got a lot of videos where she's doing tutorials. That's why if you see here, she's not detailing anything, but she's just, you know, showing on how she did it. I guess that makes sense. So yeah, and I call that blending. I don't know what she calls it, but I'm the one who's right now. So these three colors are just going to, you know, they're going to repeat, and the one will go and the other one comes back. And but one thing that I'm still failing is to know, that is a different color, I guess. So one thing that I'm failing is to know what is that thing that she's using to apply it. If I believe it's a brush, unless if it has its specific name, because you'll never know with makeup. Yeah, we can't hear you, woman. Sorry. Oh yeah, what is that? Ooh, magic. Yeah, so she's back. I think she was, what were you doing? Oh yeah, she was putting on her eyebrows, eyelashes, I think, eyelashes or eyebrows. So now on her under eye, I think it's a foundation that matches her face. Yeah, I've also had this a lot of times that you must get a foundation that matches your face. So yeah, so that's it. And now I don't know. Oh, what? Okay, yeah, I think, you know, those yellows were disturbing a bit. They fell on their eyelashes, and now she has to paint it so that it can be black wholly. We can't hear you. Oh, sharp. Yeah, that I know what is. That is a mascara. So mascara, you use it there. Yeah, so I definitely, everything is coming together now, and it's looking very nice. So Do not forget, guys, to comment, like, subscribe. On the comments you can say what you want her to do as a video or tutorial or whatever. You know, if you have suggestions or questions, she's gonna attend to that definitely. Yeah, she was talking and I'm taking over so we can hear. I think she's done. Oh yeah, very nice. Yes, beautiful. So you see, very nice. You are bold, lady. You are really bold. Yeah, are we not done? Yeah, subscribe, like and comment. Yes. Yebo. Sharp. Yeah, peace out.